In this video, I'll show you how to delete an app on your iPad Air 6th generation. First step is to find the app. Obviously, it's probably on the home screen over here, but if you do not see the app that you want to delete, simply scroll all the way to the right side and you're gonna have this app library. Here are all the apps that are installed on your iPad. Find the app that you want to delete. Mine is over here, so I'll click and it's the news app I want to delete. Once you see it, long press on it until you see this screen appearing. Then press on delete app. Delete. And the app will be completely removed from the memory of your iPad. Now, one important thing to tell you is if the app is on the home screen, let's say I want to remove here, home, the app home. I'll long press on it. I'll click remove app, but now we have two choices. We have delete app and we also have remove from home screen. So it's very important to choose the first one, delete app. If you simply select remove from home screen, and I'll do it just to show you, the app will disappear from your home screen, but it will still be installed on your iPad Air 6. You see? It's still installed because we simply removed it over here, but it's not completely wiped out. So that's why it's very important to select delete app to make sure that nothing is left on your iPad. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.